In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Squarespace, full step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll have a dedicated blog area added to your site and know exactly where to manage your posts. Start by opening your website in the Squarespace editor. This takes you into the Site Manager, where you can see the left-hand navigation. From here, head to Pages. Pages is where you organize everything visitors see in your navigation, and it's also where you'll add a blog to your site structure. Inside Pages, look for the option to add something new. You'll see an area or button highlighted in the interface that lets you create a page or collection. Click that highlighted control to open the list of available page types. When the menu appears, choose Blog. Selecting Blog creates a blog collection rather than a single static page, which is what you need for posts, dates, categories, and archives to work correctly. After you choose Blog, you'll see additional highlighted prompts that guide you through adding it to your site. Click the highlighted confirmation to insert the blog where you want it. If you're deciding between placing it in your main navigation or keeping it tucked away, a practical tip is to add it to your main navigation if you're ready for visitors to find it easily. If you're still setting things up, placing it in a not linked section helps you prepare privately. Next, follow the highlighted cues to open the new blog's basic settings. This is where you can give your blog a clear name, which also helps generate a clean URL. Keep the title simple and descriptive so visitors immediately know what they'll find there. Use the highlighted controls to save or confirm those details. As you proceed, you may see additional highlighted areas that let you fine-tune visibility or layout. Go ahead and click those highlighted options to finalize the setup. Once the blog is added, open the blog overview. This is the dashboard for your blog, where you'll manage everything. The overview shows your list of posts, lets you create new ones, and gives you quick access to categories, tags, and post settings. If you're new to it, think of this area as your home base for publishing. From here, you can draft content, schedule posts, and keep your blog organized without bouncing around the rest of your site. That's it. You've opened your site, gone into Pages, added a blog, confirmed the setup using the highlighted prompts, and landed in the blog overview where all your publishing will happen.